recording. Okay. So Fibonacci, the second is this Fibonacci tool, which we will understand, and even it can be used also. We will understand what is retracement, Fibonacci retracement. This is the tool what we are going to use. This is in the second tab. We have to click it. We use it normally in a trend. So, okay, let me just delete and show it on a Nifty chart. And let's change the timeline to one.
चालू झालं.
Huh?
नेट चालू झालं.
Okay. Okay. So like this is the trend. It has gone up and it has come down. By how much percentage it has come down? Based on that, we can plan how far it will go up. So this is seen by this Fibonacci retracement tool. So we have to put it at the beginning of the trend and click. We can use magnet till the end. We have to click. So this is the starting point. It went up till this point. It came down by 38.2% retracement. So this line is 38.20% retracement, 23% retracement, 50%, 61, like that. So this tool is to quickly visually see why we are doing all this is to create visual ease of doing analysis. All this tool is for ease of doing creating a visual which will help us in taking decisions. So this is a Fibonacci tool. After that, second is the rectangle. This is the rectangle which I normally use to see the consolidation patterns. Like here it is consolidating. So I just want to create a visual. So I'll go to this tool, a rectangle. I'll click this rectangle, click somewhere here, and okay, so it's moving, and click here. Okay, so if I want to draw a rectangle so that it's in consolidation, typically this will be used in consolidation. A good example is in we have in TechM. So in TechM, it's almost like doing consolidation for last 1 year. If I want to, this is not triangle or anything. So I will use this triangle to make a picture that whenever it breaks the rectangle, I will be taking the trade. So for that, for creating a good visual effect, I will draw a rectangle here, and I'll take this and I will, let's say if I'm drawing it here, I can draw it here manually. Like it will be drawn, I can extend it to cover, and it will be a visual this thing for visual representation for me, that whenever it goes above this rectangle, it is likely to go up, it is going to go down, it is likely to go down. So that's why I would like to keep it as a visual representation of the consolidation band in which it is taking place. Theory will be learning in next week. So this is how I bring in a rectangle here. So first we learned in the second session here is retracement. Then we learn from here we'll get the rectangle. So the moral of the story so far is, if I say draw rectangle, you can always search कि यार इसमें rectangle दिख रहा है क्या, इसमें नहीं मिला, next में गया, अच्छा Fibonacci यहाँ पे है, okay rectangle इसमें है. So because like I said, TradingView keeps on changing. So today we are learning what it is. Tomorrow it might change, so you might have to search. This is how you search. Then we will come to day trade. Now these two items I will take you through. We'll be using it for our analysis. You should be knowing how to use this. Okay, so first is day trade. So let's take TechM. Now, if I want to know how many days it is consolidating from here to here, so I will use date range. Sometimes we'll be using for how many days it is happening. Like, let's say for data pattern. Now, data pattern is in triangle. We will be studying that, but we have to see for how many days it is in this triangular consolidation mode. So I will go here and I will see the date range for how many days. Date range has two aspects to it. Let's say if I start, I will click here. I will take till it has broken out of the triangle. Just I will hold and move it. So it has two values. See, it has showing 117 bars and 174 days. First and foremost, you need to remember is it starts counting from 0. This circle is 0. From here, it is counting 117 bars and 174 days. Why there is a difference? Because there are 5 working days in a week and there might be holidays. So right now on the chart, from this point onwards till this point onwards, there are 117 bars plus 1 because it starts counting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 till there 117. So total bars are 118 bars visible on the chart. But how many days exactly, including Saturday, Sunday? So it was 174 days. So roughly we can divide it by 30 and say, okay, it was in consolidation for 5 months, approximately 5.5 months. How many bar? 117 bars. So everyone understood what is the difference between bars and days here?
Yes.
Yes. Can I have yes from all of you if it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
And then it is showing how many volume also, how many shares were traded from here to here, how many shares, so 26.1. Now, second thing we are going to use is key in consolidation, what is the width, how far it will go in the triangle. If you want to measure, so second measure, what we'll be using is the price range. We will click on that. We might select one here. Since I have activated magnet, it will sit on the high. Then if I'm coming here till the low of this point, I'll click. So this is a tool which will automatically give me a measure from here to here. How many points? I'll just make it dark. Text. Coordinates, visibility, style.
It's label in style.
Huh?
In style, you can go to label.
Label, okay. Label, no, but
in the label only you have to change the color. It's currently gray.
Achha, but it's not
just above it. Above this, just deselect this and go to label. And on the left, you see this rectangular box.
Okay. Got it. So, achha, label ke upar ye hai. Okay, right. Thanks a lot. So we have this. I can make it. Okay, opacity pe jana padega na. Okay, wait. Label, we will have to go opacity. Let's make it black, and the size, let's make it 16. Okay, so great, thank you. यहाँ पे है कि what is the price difference from here to here? It give me automatically that okay, it is 468.65 points, and from here to here 31.99%. It was a drop, so it has gone. If I want to measure from here to here, I can pick up again a price range. Here I can click first point here, and let's take the same location here. So it is ye liya tha kya, ye liya tha maine, so I will take it here. So it will showing me reverse because I started from here, took it till there, so it is showing 468.65. But from this point to this point, it has gone, it is 47.04. So it have, from here to here, it has gone down from 31.99. But from here to here, when it is going up, it has to gain 47.04 percentage. So that is how it will automatically calculate and give you. So that is the use of this price range. Because if I want to know how far it will go up, I can just pick it up and keep it here. And if I want to know, okay, data pattern, what is the likely target? So I need not calculate. I can do it on calculator. We used to do it. वही दादाजी वाली कहानी कि हम लैम्प के नीचे बैठ के पढ़ते थे. So, but here it is giving automatic. So how far it will go, that will learn. There is a likelihood that data pattern will reach till this point. That is how the triangles will work. That we will learn in subsequent sections. So this is ease of finding the distance and all like that. Everyone okay? So far so good?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes.
So in this we
Yes.
have this date range and price range. This is will be used. Remaining you can learn. Long position, short position we will learn sometime later. Abhi confusing ho jayega wo.
This triangle automatically came, right? If you selected date, when you selected date, this
Date?
triangle automatically. No, this triangle automatically came, correct? Or
No. Yeah, we will learn how to draw it.
No, this was already drawn in your chart.
Yeah, because I have drawn it for my own study, na?
Okay.
So it is already drawn earlier. I have drawn it sometime in Friday. I have drawn it.
Okay.
It has come. So ये किसी फायदे का नहीं है. Then this is zoom in. I'll teach you later. Magnet we have learned. Lock. Now see, this is what will happen is now we come to the last here on this strip. We are coming to this eye. This eye is here at the end. So if I want to, I have too many lines. Let's say I have vertical line here, I have horizontal line. I have drawn these lines to study, but right now I don't want to see all these lines. I want to see only the price action with my without any these lines. So, but I don't want to delete the lines also because I want those lines to be visible later again. So what I can do is I can click on the eye. So it will hide all the drawings. The drawings are not deleted. There is a difference between delete and hide. Right now the drawings are deleted. I can again come to this eye and click on it. All whatever I have drawn will appear again so that I don't lose the drawing and I'm able to see it later on. But I'm fed up with these drawings. So I can go further down dustbin, remove 3 drawings. I click, it is removed, it is deleted. I'll do undo because I want those lines, but this is how you can delete. So now we have covered the entire left side. We practiced this lines already. Then I would request you to go and practice Fibonacci retracement. Even if you don't understand, just draw it on the on some something. Then go to this rectangle. Text we forgot. So if you want to put some comment, it's only for beautification. This is for text. You can click on the text. Click here. This text will appear. Then you can write. This is very important. When we'll be sharing charts, you need to use this text. So go to text and say the data pattern is in triangle, entry, exit, stop loss. Okay, then you can increase the size, or also you can decrease the size, whatever you want to do, make it 24 and say okay, it will come on the top. So if you want to share snapshot with someone or you want to share as a backtesting for your own reference, you can put a text and put it here. You can even log the location and put it here. So it is more easy to communicate when you are sharing the pattern. Someone says, okay, share with me. You make this beautiful drawing, make and then take a snapshot. and share the snapshot. So he will have the detail, he or she will have the detail, or you will have for your record. So this is how the text is used. So we have used rectangle text, we have understood which will be required. This is not required as of now. This is the date range, price range we have learned. Then we have learned how to hide, unhide, and delete. So we have completed the left strip. Remaining you can explore. This is what exactly we want to practice. So I will send you all to the breakout room and then you can practice. We are 13 again. One group will have 4 people. Now what I want you to do is I'm giving you 12 minutes because we have only that. Now what you can do is one person can become going forward, and for the entire program, one person can become timekeeper. When you are going into the breakout room, just keep a record track of time, so that just say 12 minutes I am giving, 4 minutes each person. So if 4 minutes are about to get over, then you can nudge a little bit कि यार 4 minutes over होने वाले हैं, आगे बढ़ो, थोड़ा फास्ट बढ़ो, उस टाइप से. So you can nudge, one person becomes a timekeeper, nudge a little so that you complete in time. So I'll send you all again in the breakout room, some new breakout room. I don't know which breakout room you will go. First, let me stop recording.